Hello, this is a video tour of a studio apartment number 20 at 1983 North Vermont. 1983 North Vermont is managed by David and Schultz. You can reach the on-site managers at 818-714-7247. And this is the front of the building. It's a mid-century modern with 3 floors. From the street we have a gated entrance and a courtyard. And from the courtyard you can access the laundry room and the pool. Here's the laundry room. It runs on either an app on your phone or quarters. And the pool is on the back side of the building. It's recently been rebuilt as part of the earthquake retrofit that is also complete on this structure. Okay, apartment 20 is on the top floor. And let's have a look inside. Again, this is a studio. It has an AC, windows facing the courtyard. There's 2 closets here, gas heat, built-in bookshelf, and in the kitchen we have a fridge, gas range, stone countertops and backsplash, sprayer, and disposal. Also, there's a view of Griffith Park and the observatory. And the fridge. Going back around here, there's a walk-through closet. And in the bathroom, we have the same stone countertops as in the kitchen. There's a new toilet and shower tub combo. Any questions? Send us a message, 818-714-7247. And the unit's ready to rent now. Thanks for having a look.